Complete the dialogue with some and any. Click on the gaps.
Jaya, we need to go shopping. Look in the fridge. Are there any eggs?
Ratu: Yes, there are, but there isn't any milk. Joya: Okay, do you have any juice? Ratu: No, we don't. We also need cheese. We don't have
Jaya,
any cheese.
okay. We don't have any papayas or coconuts.
Ratu: But we have some mangoes and we have some strawberries. Read the dialogue. Circle the lines that Joy and Ratul are going to buy. Now circle the things in your textbook. Pair work. Act the dialogue from Activity A. Use other foods that you know. Write your shopping list in your exercise book.